Welcome to my channel Flights Assistance WestJet Airline Check-in Process. Step-by-step guide checking in with WestJet Airlines is simple and flexible, whether you prefer online, mobile, kiosk, or airport counter check-in. Below is a complete 10-step guide to help you check in smoothly and avoid last-minute stress. Gather required information and documents. Before starting the check-in process, collect your reservation code, 6 characters, or ticket number, 13 digits, full name, and date of birth as listed on your government-issued ID. Review travel documents like passports, visas, and any mandatory pre-boarding forms for your destination. Ensure you have access to the WestJet app or website for online check-in. Also, check baggage allowances. Note that ultra-basic fares do not permit carry-on bags. Receive pre-flight reminder email. Approximately 72 hours before your flight departure, WestJet sends an email with important travel information, including reminders about documents, baggage, and upcoming check-in. Use this time to verify your email address is correct in your booking and update contact details if needed via the WestJet app or Manage Trips section on their website. Monitor for check-in opening. Check-in officially opens 24 hours prior to your scheduled departure. You'll receive a follow-up email at this time with a direct link to complete the process. This is the ideal window to handle everything online to avoid airport lines. Access check-in platform. Log into the WestJet website via Manage Trips, using your reservation code and last name, or open the WestJet app. Download it from app stores if you haven't. Sign into your WestJet Rewards account for faster access and personalized options. If you're not online, plan to use airport methods later. Complete online check-in steps. Enter your details to verify your identity and reservation. Select or change seats if available, add or prepay for checked bags to save on fees, and review any upgrades or add-ons. The system will prompt for document verification, so have scans or photos ready if required for international flights. Download or print boarding pass. Once check-in is complete, download your digital boarding pass to your mobile device or print a physical copy. The app supports paperless options with real-time updates. If traveling with others, ensure everyone in your group checks in individually or as a party. Prepare for baggage handling. If you have checked bags, print baggage tags in advance via the app or website for self-serve drop-off at select airports. Prepay online to avoid higher counter fees. For carry-on only, confirm it meets size and weight limits. No carry-on allowed on ultra-basic fares. Arrive at the airport on time. For domestic flights within Canada, arrive at least 120 minutes before departure. For international flights, aim for 150 minutes. This allows time for bag drop, security, and any unexpected delays. Check flight status via the app or website beforehand. Handle airport check-in if needed. If you didn't check in online, use self-service kiosks, available at some airports, or head to the check-in counter. Present your ID and reservation details. Drop off checked bags here or at self-serve stations. Increase your phone's brightness for easier scanning of digital tags. Proceed to security and boarding. With your boarding pass in hand, head to security screening. Prepare by placing liquids, 100 milliliters max, in a clear bag and ensuring devices are charged. After clearing security, monitor gate information. Boarding typically starts 30-45 minutes before departure. Priority boarding applies if eligible. Board when your zone is called and stow items efficiently. This guide ensures a smooth experience. Always check WestJet's site for updates, especially for international requirements or disruptions. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.